Alright, so now as we go into rasterization, let's hop up a level and let's compare our output with that of our previous renders. And then now, since I've simulated a few frames ahead of where this guy left off, we'll need to throw a time shift in there. Just give this a moment. So we can throw in our time shift. Lock the time shift to frame 6, which we knew we liked from before. There he is. And now we can compare sort of our shapes and our color distribution. And it'll be a little bit easier to see once I rasterize these here on the left, but basically you get the idea of kind of the different shapes that we can get using different techniques. So let's go back in to our particle fluid, and we'll do the same thing as we did before. So we're going to need a wrangle. Point wrangle, throw it down, and just to speed things up a bit, this. To manual, just so I can speed through a little bit of this. Okay, and then as always, we want at density equals, start out with 1,000. And we'll also do some really cool stuff here in a little bit as we're look deving this out, where in addition to just giving it a straight density, we can also do things like density equals age, and then multiply the age by a numerical value, and then you'll get some different shapes to your rasterization, which can be very cool. But we'll look at that a little bit later. Let's just get this guy rasterized. So we'll rasterize by attributes, as always. Throw this. We're going to need density, age, color. I think we can, and oops, vorticity. We can start there. All right. So let's now get this guy back to update. And we'll take a look at this guy in volume form. Give it a minute to think. All right, there it goes. And now we can do our refining. All right, starting to shape up. Now we can also throw down our volume visualization. Oops. Volume visualization for the win. All right. So then again, density. Choose our color. Very cool. Increase our density. Now we're talking. Looking good. So now you can see if I copy this volume visualization, we can do things like here, as I was saying, instead of using density, we can use age. And then if we hop back and forth, you can see that that's going to give us a different look. Whereas if we use density, it's going to make things thicker at the center of mass and then get thinner as it goes out. So let's move on into the next section, which would be working on look dev and shaders.